Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Rail High and and I don't know what to do so I guess we should go apple bombing. Yeah, let's just go apple bombing, shall we? Why is Drake beside me? Wait a damn minute. Stop moving, you Drake. Stop freaking moving. Oh yeah, okay. Let me just... Drake is in Ike's account. Okay. I don't know why, but let me just continue apple bombing. Let me apple bomb. Yeah. So now. Hey. Hey. Drown. Someone said drown. Oh my gosh, I feel bad for her. Can I ask you something? Sure, Drake. Because this is getting weird. Okay, what now? What does he... Tax. You wanna ask me tax? Tax. Why did I... broke... Why did I what? Cheat on Ike. Do I really have to say again? Do I really have to... I have bad memories. Fine. Okay, so let me just say it. Because you... Oh my gosh. Because you were in the gang and I know it, and because you're in the gang and I know it. And what gang? A killing gang. Oh my gosh, Tox. A killing. Is that Tox? Just load up already. A killing. A blank. Oh. And I know. So you didn't want Ike to know. How did you know? I was at Starbucks and saw one of the most dangerous gangs. I was at Starbucks and I saw one of the most dangerous gangs in the alley. Holy. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I told him to cheat on you. Oh my gosh. I told him to cheat on. Ain't I'm him. What? How could I cheat on myself? What? Guys, this is getting very weird because yeah, very weird. So I'm just gonna. You're weird, sir. Excuse me. I don't understand. Who are you? Oh, cats. Who are you? Shut it. What? Tell me. Tell me. Why is he changing? What is he doing? Ding dong, trick or treat. Did I saw a knife? Get away or knife in your throat. Oh my gosh. Just gonna continue apple blooming because that's what I was supposed to do. Am I? So.
Besides, you in the Discord call.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm in the Discord call. Now.
Oh.
So, I am in my account and I'm pretending to be drinking. You just told me the truth. Why would you do that?
Because he wasn't a freaking gang, and I'm scared. Oh my gosh, I'm scared he could kill you.
I don't care. I'll be more happy if he kills you.
Oh my. Why is the knife on your belly? So I'm just gonna end the video now because you're.
Wait.
What?
I'm gonna let Drake play on my account since he's in a Mafia game, like he told me. I'm gonna call him and say he could play on my account anytime he wants. At vlog, I'm gonna ask he kills you and not me.
Oh, well, I'm just gonna. I hope you.
Tom and me got back together.
Oh my gosh. Wait. How about you and your boyfriend?
Yeah, Tom and me got back together.
Who's Tom?
The one that you ruined our date with.
Ah! I'm just gonna end it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications on.
If you like my relationships and don't like choices for him.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm just gonna. Bye!